Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy crypto on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit. So once you log into Bybit and then log into your account, so your Bybit account, so just log into your account, and once I've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this buy crypto option. So when you go to buy crypto option here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on one click buy. So choose the one click buy option. So once you click on your one click buy option here, so now what you're going to do, you're going to simply select the amount that you wish to spend and then the currency. So just select that. So for example, just select the amount and then the currency here, and then the what currency that you want to receive, because you can also just choose that. Okay, so once you have selected all those information, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and you will see payment methods here. So under payment methods, what you're going to do, you're going to choose the method that's available, so that best suit you. So if you click on the payment option here, you'll have all the available options here. Simply select the one that best suits you. Okay, select it, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on, so for example, I'll use Google Pay. So hit on it and then click on buy, and then it will prompt you to your payment page here, where you need to plug in your card details if you're using card, or your Google Pay details and all those, whatever method you're paying. So just plug that in, and then that's it. You can complete the transaction, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.